How to add HTML code on your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to step by step show you how to create or how to add an existing HTML code or any embedded code to the Wix website. Okay, so the first step you need to do is to create or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I have already made one, so make sure to sign up. As you can see here, I'm in the dashboard of my websites. There are websites that I have already made for you to example. So just click on create new site button and you're good to go. So here it's going to ask us if we want to use their AI chat for personalizing and creating our website, but we don't really need it right now, so click setup without chat and we are good to go. Okay, so here you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. As an example, I would choose a consultant, for example, and then click continue. So in future it will help you to manage all the templates of websites. Next step of what you need to do is to create or memorize a name for your website. So I just call it an example as I creating it for you for this video to be created. Okay, so then click continue, and here you need to set your goals for this site. So what are the goals of creating website? You can see here you can sell products, collect leads, share knowledge, offer services, display creative work, build a community, promote a business, promote yourself, or just explore. So I would not put a tick on anything, I just skip it because I don't read it right now. So here you need to choose the apps you'd like to add. So this one is the popular one. To create an online shop you need to connect this online store app, or if you want to let your clients schedule appointments on your site, create this add this app. So there are a lot of apps there. You in the future you'll see the Wix apps dashboard. So you're all set, we are all set. Okay, so click continue to dashboard, and the next step you need to do, so if you want to make your site work correctly, you need to go through all these steps, but I am just going to go to design your website, and I'm going to show you how to add an existing HTML code. So here it's going to ask you one more time whether you want to generate your website with AI technology or customize the already using template. So I'm just picking a customize a template, so click here, pick a template, and you see a browser of the template. So there are a lot of beautiful templates that are ready to use. They are all free, so just choose by your heart what is the most attractive template for you. For example, I really like this one. I think it's a home remodeling company about the real estate, but as an example I'll do this template. So we just need to wait a couple of seconds more for it to load everything. The editor's page will be loaded. So the best opportunity of Wix.com is you don't really need to know any programming language. So here you can create your website without HTML code, without PHP, Java, or any programming language that people are using to create a website. So here you just create a website on another website. But in our video today I'll show you right now how to add HTML code. So we just need to wait a couple of more seconds for it to load everything. So here you see the dashboard of the things you can do. So here you can add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. So the editor's page, as you can see, everything is divided into the sections. The first section is the header, and the last one is the footer of your website. So here it is, as you can see. If you want to add sections, just click here, and add a section, it will open the sections menu. So here you can see the AI generator, welcome section, about, gallery, team, contact, features, promotion, business information, services, subscriptions, testimonials, clients, store, bookings, and events. So those sections are ready to use, so just add it by dragging it into your website. Just simply drag it into the empty space and the section is ready. As you can see, everything could be edited, and for you to understand, I would delete this section because it is not really necessary right now. I'm just deleting it, and I'm going to add another section, a welcome section to for example this one. Okay, so as you can see, I have edited, just clicking on it. So okay, so how to add HTML code? It's really easy to do. You just double click on this section or any section you have. For example, I don't really need this picture, so okay, so I'll put our HTML code right down the button start now. Okay, so I have moved it a little bit to add you go add elements, and then here you can see a lot of elements that you can add, and here will be embedded code. So here is what you need to know. So you can go with a custom or popular embeds, for example, as an HTML, an embed site, a custom element. So there are video players for you to not to code anything, just add a simple player. Here an audio player with a SoundCloud player or Spotify, iTunes button. So everything you need to do is right here. So you can even add Google Ads, Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, Yandex Metrica, Google Analytics custom code. So here it is, the custom code. If you want to add HTML, just click right here and drag your code right here. So here will be your code and HTML code. As you can see, I haven't, it's an empty space and I didn't put my code here, so it will be an error right now, but it's not really necessary. I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so it was really easy, guys, to do. We have added our HTML code into the website, as you can see. So if you will add here a code, everything should be working correctly. Okay, guys, so I have thank you for your attention. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.